Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we're going to demonstrate here, guys, it will be on 2012 Ford F-150. If you have one of those or even a different year, but that generation video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes on your F-150. One is right under the hood. When you open the hood on your F-150, right above the radiator, you will have a fuse box here. But we don't need this one today. We need to work on the one that's inside your F-150 in the passenger side, under the dash, under the glove box, by that kick panel right here in the corner. You remove the cover, you open it, and you will see a fuse box that looks just like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it, so we can show you everything with a great detail. But let's first explain why you should always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So for the Parktronic, you will need to come in 1, 2, 3, that third row of fuses right here, and you're going to come under that relay, guys. You need to find fuse number 34, which will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that 10 amp fuse right here. 4B will be for the Parktronic or Park 8 module, guys. You need to check that fuse right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.